How are you today? Hope you are good. What we have here is the Laboratorio of Maquinaria Viñas. What we have is all the machinery we sell. We assemble them right here in order for the clients to confirm the order. What it means confirmation? It means that the client verifies the drawing they sign with the machinery itself. Okay? In this particular case, we have clients from the north of Spain. They purchase this machine, and what they're doing right here is with the bakers, we are throwing the dough. Actually, as you can see, the line is currently working, and what we're trying to achieve is the product they're looking for. We have in this section, we have this section that the client usually brings all the ingredients, we mix them, that's why they come with the bakers, in order to achieve the same dough that they're going to use in their factory. Once we have the dough, we rest it, that's part of the recipe. We throw it inside the hooper, the automatic hooper, and we let the machine work by itself. Okay? The most important part of this process is to verify that the parameters of the line work at the optimal level. It means that the client is satisfied with the outcome, with the production, not only the production they're looking for, but the product they're looking for, which is essential. All the tests that we are doing right here is time that we are saving in the client's house. It means that usually the procedure is 3-4 days, so it means in the house of the client we stay only for a couple of days because all the parameters are safe already in the core of the machine. Another important factor is that the client brings their own trays. It means that the machine is designed for the trays that the client is currently using. What we have right here is a product that the clients think that has the perfect weight, the perfect sizes, the length, the thickness, the width, all the bubbles, all the achieved hydration. So after that, we go to the final section. We have the trolley with the trays ready to be proofed. This product is completely different than the other one. It goes inside. We let it, the machine to do its work for 30 minutes approximately, and after that we cook it and we analyze the final product. Once we have the tray with all the products proofed accordingly, we go to the rotary oven. It takes approximately like another 30 minutes, and after that we test, we analyze the results. As you can see, this is the previous production, so the client says the shape, what's the reaction of the oven with the dough, if the seats, because we have a model which is the automatic seating unit, if the seats are appropriately spread on the surface, we break it, obviously with a knife, they see the bubbles, the texture, the interior of the product. What we have right here, it's like a table when the client slice the bread. They select randomly, they select like 5-10 pieces, they come over here, they cut it, they slice it, they see that if it's pretty homogeneous, all the texture inside, because we don't want to have bubbles just in one corner and completely dense in the other one. That's part of the machine. Good, let's say, good production and good working. The homogeneity of the interior. If it is approved, we say, okay, safe parameters, we go for another bread. As you can see, this bread is a small one. Right now we are producing a longer one. We take advantage of this process to always train the people that is going to use the line in the house, in the client's house.